Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney, and in today's video we are going to learn how to purchase mutual funds using RMoney Tradion App. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So once you log into the RMoney Tradion App, go to the investment section and now click on mutual fund option. So a new dashboard will be open. Here you can search the mutual fund in which you would like to invest. And after selecting the mutual funds, you will get the two investment options. One time for lump sum investment and SIP for systematic investment plan. Now let's understand the both options one by one. So if you want to make a lump sum investment, simply click on one time option and now enter the investment amount and then select the preferred payment method and complete the payment process. Which you have to authenticate from your registered email address. And that's how your lump sum investment would be completed successfully. Now let's see how to start a SIP. So once you select the mutual fund, enter the investment amount and select the installment frequency. Choose the installment date. Now here's a key thing which you need to keep in mind while selecting the installment date. So if you choose your first installment as today, then your next installment would be deducted on the same day of every month. And if you would like to change the selected date, you could do that also. Simply select your preferred date. And after that, your SIP amount will be deducted automatically on the selected date of every month. Now in the SIP type, you would get two options. The first one is Perpetual SIP, which means that your SIP will continue until you manually stops it. And the second one is limited SIP, which means that if you select this option, you can define the number of installments. For example, if you want 50 installments, then your SIP will automatically stop after making 50 installments. Now here comes the most important part, which is to create the mandate. For that, you have to enter the mandate amount and click on proceed. And as you can see that your mandate is successfully created, which you have to authenticate from your registered email address. So once your mandate is successfully created, come back on the same page. Here you will see a new created mandate ID. Simply select the mandate ID and click on Start SIP. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on Submit. And just like that, your SIP has been started successfully. Alright, that's it for today. In case if you have any doubt, feel free to reach out to our RMoney support team or comment down below. Until then, happy trading. Thank you for watching.